So you may think you're being real healthy by eating salads all the time, but what are you putting all over it on the line of dressing? I hope it's not restaurant or store-bought dressing, because the #1 ingredients in those are nearly always a processed oil, particularly soybean, canola oil, vegetable oil. A lot of those are GMO too. Even if they try to sound healthy and say it's an organic dressing, it'll still be organic soybean oil. So it's not GMO, but it's still processed. And a lot of health experts nowadays feel that processed oils are probably the biggest problem in the standard American diet and cause so much inflammation of the body, which we know triggers and causes most every disease. So I love to make my own. First of all, I used to always make a balsamic vinaigrette. It's easy, you put it in the blender, half cup balsamic vinegar, a couple spoonfuls of mustard, honey to taste, salt, pepper, lemon juice, and then drizzle in about a cup of olive oil while it's running. Turns out perfectly. My personal favorite right now is using my homemade mayo, see my video on that, and then mixing it with something. You could make a honey mustard and mix in mustard, honey, or sweetener of choice. I love right now to mix pesto and homemade mayo. Very yummy. If you're a ranch addict, there are recipes online where you can make your own kind of copycat Hidden Valley Ranch packet seasoning. It uses powdered buttermilk, dried dill, parsley, chive, onion, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and then you can just blend it into your creamy vehicle of choice, whether it's buttermilk, mix it with sour cream, mayo, if you want to dip. And then lastly, I love sometimes to not use any dressing and just put a large amount of guacamole or hummus and baba ganoush, and then you don't need dressing at all. Just have some of that with every bite and it's delicious and healthy. So try it, experiment with different things for it, and please let me know if you have any personal favorites and concoctions. Research shows that clicking the thumbs up and subscribe button will make fingers healthy and strong, and besides, it's free.